guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the December Shabby Lane t-shirt of the month club to show you. Do you want to know what's in my bag? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the December 2025 t-shirt of the month club by Shabby Lane has arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your subscription to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, I will have them all listed down below in the description box if you like to pop on over and check them out. You can use my code SheCrafty20 to save you 20% off your first monthly box if you are interested. If you do not want to jump straight to a monthly subscription, you can purchase through their shop. They have so many different shirts, styles, colors for men, for women. Everything is on their site. They even have more than just shirts, but they have so many different designs in shirts that you can actually purchase one time, and you don't have to have a commitment for yourself, for gift giving, anything like that. So if you would like to check them out, they will be listed down below. This here is last month's shirt for November, so I'm really excited to dive in and see what is going to be for the December box. It came in a really cute festive, sorry, upside down, mailer, a mailer bag. And also you don't just get the shirt, you get one free item in there as well. And I think that's absolutely amazing, because then you have a little, surprise. You know a shirt's coming, you don't know the design, you don't know the color, you do get to choose the size, but you don't know what it is. And then you have a little extra goodie as well. And I think that's just so cool. They also have so many different pages in here that you can use, and I'm gonna get into that. So, look at how pretty that blue is for this month. So see here and here is those little cards, and then here is another card with the free gift. So let me remove this. There's even a sticker, baby, it's cold outside, which matches this right here, baby, it's cold outside. And then here's this one, let it snow. These are so cute. You can even use them to decorate. You can put them in a frame. You can use them to write a little note to gift to somebody. You can use them for scrapbooking and journaling. I mean, you can use these cards for anything, so I always save mine. Then we have the free gift that I'll go through, and look at how beautiful those colors are. They're so sparkly. This card has peace, hope, and joy. And it looks like that with the angels. And then there is a card in here that says, as we enter a new year, my heart is filled with so much gratitude. So very grateful for so many things. Let's bring all the peace, hope, and love into the new year. Yes, all of those good things into the new year. Wishing you so many blessings in the upcoming new year. May you be blessed every day. Hold all of your friends and family close. Remember the things that matter the most. How cute. I am so incredibly grateful for you. Because of you, I am able to do what I love. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Much love, Catherine, the Shabby Lane shop owner. So there's that. And again, here's that. So there's 3 cards you always get to keep as well on top of the shirt and the free gift that's inside. Ooh, let me take this thing off. These are gorgeous. Look at that sparkle, you guys. Oh my goodness, I love the sparkles. It might be nope, I would say they might be a little too tight for my big ass wrist, but nope, they do fit. Look at how pretty those are though. Those are so pretty. I love the sparkle, and I love that they're 2 different colors that you can wear together, or you can wear them separately if you would like. But yeah, I just have a big wrist, so I was afraid they were not gonna fit. But look at how beautiful. Okay, now let's go with the star of the show. Let's go with this month's shirt. You ready? Baby, it's cold outside, with the snowflakes and the snowman. Their shirts are always on the Bella and Canvas. I love these shirts. They're super comfortable. They wear well. That's pretty much all that I'm wearing these days is the Bella and Canvas. And you get to choose the size. It goes from a size small all the way up to a 4XL is what you get to choose when you're ordering the shirt. So that is so pretty. Baby, it's cold outside. So from November to December, And there we go. This is the new one for this month. I love that color blue. I mean, I'm a stickler for black, so I'm so glad last month's was black. I think that's the shirt that I'm going to wear for Christmas because it has a tree on it. But this one is so cute just to wear for this time of year. Even though it doesn't really get cold here in Florida, I think it's super, super cute of a shirt. It normally gets cold everywhere else in the world, just not here. There are a few days out of the year that it does get pretty cool, so I look forward to those. But I love this shirt, and I'm glad it's not a long sleeve shirt because I can wear this in year round pretty much if I want to. I love the simple like designs that they do. I love all the inspirational quotes and posts that they do on their Instagram. So I always tell you guys, if you want to have your feeds filled with positivity instead of negativity, definitely follow them on Instagram because you'll see a lot of positive feeds coming through their post, and I love that. So that is everything for this month's December Shirt of the Month Club. You have this beautiful printed colored shirt, and you have some bracelets. Okay, you guys. So again, that is everything for the December box. If you would like some pricing, I will let you know right about now. They actually have two different types of subscriptions when it comes to what they have to offer. You can do the T-shirt of the month club like they're sending me, or they have an accessories subscription boutique bag. There's two different ones. There's a boutique bag VIP membership for $29.99 a month, or the deluxe boutique bag VIP membership for $39.99. Or you can do the T-shirt of the month club where you get an exclusive T-shirt just for their monthly subscribers, and you can do month per month. It is on sale currently for $19.95, normally $24.95. You can do the 3-month subscription. That brings the 3 months down to $73. If you do a 6-month subscription, it's $147. And if you do a full 12-month gift subscription, it is $294. And again, you get to choose from a small all the way to a 4XL for the shirt size. Don't forget, they do have a whole lot of designs and colors and everything from their shop that you can shop at any time without having a subscription. So everything will be listed down below in the description box with SheCrafty 20 to save you 20% off your first month if you are interested. It'll all be down there for you guys. If you would like to see other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so that's everything to say and show for this particular video. Again, don't forget to comment down below and let me know what you thought about this month. So what do you think about the color, the design? Let me know about the bracelets. Definitely let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty Crew, out.